Legendary.
Woke up to granny washing clothes on the back porch. Niggas outside selling crack dope. It ain't no plateau, cause we been stuck like Chuck since a tadpole. We never take the front streets, only back roads. Crackers out here tryna hang us like a flagpole, cause they assholes with no backbone. I know the devil walks around with a badge on. Niggas dying every day, another sad song. Bullshitting, I can smell it with a mask on. Plus we running out of time like a track phone. Trap on, I'm trying to get my mind right. Reaching for the stars, trying to get the shine bright. Divine light, living in the land of sodomites. Tell the truth and shame the devil, you might die tonight. Watered down brothers trying to fight a firefight. If you ain't got the proper tools, it's the afterlife. Nails for the slaughter, ready for the sacrifice. Real Hunger Games, building up an appetite. I see my uncle fall victim to a crack pipe. Bloody days, long nights, that's a black life. And it really never mattered to these motherfuckers. Fuck march and get the cannons on these motherfuckers. But it's a whole planet of these motherfuckers.
You gon' march, nigga? You gon' picket, nigga? You gon' put out some flyers on me, right, nigga? You're gonna put up posters on me, right, nigga? You're gonna throw temper tantrums in the streets. You demand that I free him. The white man does not respect such a demand. He only respects power. He only